In the meantime, Sports Minister Olivia Grange had her say on reports about the resurfaced track at the National Stadium. Here's Ken Rayner.
Minister Grange's comments about taxpayers not being required to pay more than the amount of $350,000 which was budgeted for the project comes after a Grand Slam track official confirmed with the TVJ Sports that they had spent more than that figure toward the track resurfacing project. The information was contained in a press release late Wednesday afternoon. In the meantime, the venue director of Grand Slam track, Don Lockerbie, has made an about turn on what certification the track will have, one day after telling TVJ Sports that it would not retain the Level 1 certification.
First of all, the track certification is Class 1, and it wouldn't have to go through another classification until the end of its 5-year standing. So for us, it's still Class 1. The issue for the stadium, as the minister well knows, is that, this stadium is about to get a fantastic renovation, and that's when the entire stadium will be at world-class levels and given a Class 1 certification. Right now, all we cared about was making it fantastically safe and ready for world-class competition, starting with champs. This business of whether it was degraded or something like that, which is never a word we used at all, what we wanted to make sure was that everybody understood that it's safe and it's going to be fast and it's certainly beautiful in the colors of the Jamaica flag.
This was what Lockerbie told TVJ Sports on Tuesday when quizzed about the certification that the track would have.
So that's a really tricky question because I didn't say it would be certified for 5 years. I said it would be warranted for 5 years. In other words, the surfacing should be able to maintain its strength, its speed, its color, and provide all the racers with a tremendous bounce. That's a critical part of what we wanted to provide. We worked with World Athletics on the certification of the track. Things have changed. And right now, for this facility to become certification for Class 1 certification in the future, they're going to have to remove the bike track. They're going to have to add more in the way of long jump runways and things of that nature.
In the meantime, the Rectorton Vice President Tim Jordan assured the minister about the quality of the new surface.
I would say that this track has been resurfaced, and the quality of the track is fantastic, and the quality is second to none relative to the resurfacing that we've put over top of the existing surface, for sure.
The track is set to be handed over to the IPL on March 24, a day before the Boys and Girls Championships runs off. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.